Pardon? They are there. My wife is there. My daughter is in that room. That is it. Good evening, candidates. I welcome you for this session on Federal Bank interview. Today's date is 24th April 2024. Is there anybody from Kerala in this group now today? I don't think anybody from Kerala. Mohammed Vishwa is from Tamil Nadu. Naveen,
Yes, sir.
Naveen, you are from which state? Naveen is from which state?
Sir, hello, sir.
You are from which state?
Sir, I'm from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Andhra Pradesh. That is Andhra University or Geetam?
No, sir. No, sir. I'm right now in Assam. I told you, Tejpur
Assam.
University.
You are in Assam, Tezpur University. Very good. Deepak is from Coimbatore. Shriya. Shriya, you are from which state? Shriya?
I'm from
Andhra Pradesh.
yes, sir, I can. Andhra Pradesh.
Which university?
Andhra University, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Lalit Kumar, I think you have
Yes,
joined
sir.
recently, yesterday or day before.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, sir. Yesterday, sir.
Which college are you studying?
I'm from Geetam University, sir.
Acha, acha.
Visakhapatnam.
Geetam University. Which degree are you doing?
ECE, sir.
ECE. Good. Now, to start with, let me ask you, who can explain to me what is a bank? What are the services a bank is rendering to our country? This is a very simple, broad question. You can answer me in English, of course. In Federal Bank, they want it only in English. Yeah.
Yes.
Who would like to try now first?
I would like to try, sir. My name is Lalit Kumar.
Lalit Kumar. Lalit Kumar, you are from Andhra.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. ECE. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please
ECE.
Please tell
So,
me.
bank is a financial institute, which takes louder, sir. Bit louder, sir.
Hello.
I need to speak bit louder, sir.
Please speak loudly.
Yes, sir. So, bank is
Are
a
you able to
financial.
hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Sriya, are you able to hear me? No.
Sir, I can able to hear you, sir.
Some problem. I'm just putting on this only.
No, sir. No, sir. You are audible.
Now,
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Now I am audible. Yeah.
Sir, you are audible,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah, I'm audible. Very good. Please speak. Now, 1 minute. I'm just removing this earphone. Let me see whether it is audible. Now, your default speaker has changed to headphone. Yeah. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Your voice is not heard to me. There is something wrong. What is the source of this? Is correct. Stop video. You are audible. I am audible, but your voice is not heard to me. Naveen,
Sir, yes,
please
sir.
speak loudly. 1 minute. Let me check up whether my where is the sound? Where is the sound? Sound is this one. The sound or this one? It's not coming correctly. So I wanted you to hear. So that is the problem. So 1 minute. Let me hear you. Hear me now?
Hello?
Now are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir,
think
you are audible.
yeah, when I remove my earphone, it is not coming correctly. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. Now, who can explain to me what is a bank? What are the services a bank is doing? I think
Yes, sir. I am
Lalit
explaining. Sir.
wanted to start. Please start.
Yes, sir. So bank is a financial institute which accepts deposits from customers and it makes loans through the amount, sir. And we can withdraw our amount whenever we want. And also we can externally we can take loans like not on the customers. Anyone can take the loans from the banks and we can pay the loans in the due date or the time which is given by the banks. So
Correct.
while coming to the services, uh, account services like savings accounts and credit cards
Mm,
services
mm,
and net banking,
mm,
uh, loans,
mm. Yeah. Tell
education
me.
loans, personal loans.
Mm,
These are the different services
mm.
which are offered by banks.
Oh, very good. Now, who can improve the answer presented by our Lalit Kumar?
Can I
Others?
improvise?
Yeah, Viswa, you want to improve? Come on, right.
Bank is a financial institute where we can lend money or borrow money from it, and it is run by RBI under the conditions and regulatory of RBI. Banks jobs are bringing deposits and making advances is the primary job of a bank, and there are also para banking jobs like bank assurance products and mutual fund products,
Mm,
locker renting facilities,
mm,
uh, asset management advisory services, and portfolio services. These are the
mhm,
some of the works of a bank, sir.
mhm. Good. Anybody else? Sakti,
Sir,
so yeah.
sir,
Naveen, you want to speak? Speak.
yes, sir. Sir, basically, bank is a financial institution which
Mm,
provides some various services like accepting deposits, lending money, and offering other financial products.
mm,
And it plays a crucial role in economy by facilitating the flow of money and credit,
mm,
and enabling people to save and invest and borrow in their finances. And also, bank provides some services like deposit services and investment services, payment services, financial and foreign exchange services, etc. And also by the ways that it's contributing to our economy, like capital formation and credit creation and financial intermediation, sir.
good. What is the degree you are doing, Naveen?
Sir, easy, sir.
Oh,
BTech final year.
good. What is the role of ECE in the matter of, say, banking services? In what way ECE is helping banks?
Sir, moreover, as an engineer, my problem solving skills helps me to face the challenges and situations what I am facing in what will I will going to face in the banking sector.
And, mm,
And also by the commitment that I am with my work will
mm,
draw me to secure a better person, sir.
very good. Mr. Naveen, can you read
Yes, sir.
this banks? What is the role played by banks in Indian economy? I am putting it on screen. I suggest you read it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
just a minute, 1 minute. Hold on. Can you can evening by come and can you mostly and not in thank you, sir. By your evening, thank you so much. Excuse me, Naveen, you can read this
Yes,
now.
sir. Banks play several crucial roles in India's economy. The first one is financial intermediation. Banks act as intermediaries between savers and borrowers. They collect deposits from individuals and institutions and provide loans to businesses, individuals, and the government. This intermediation is vital for the efficient allocation of capital in the economy. Second is credit creation. Banks create credit through the process of fractional reserve banking. When they receive deposits, required to keep only a fraction of these deposits as reserves. The rest can be lent out, effectively creating new money and stimulating economic activity. Next, payment banking. Banks facilitate the smooth functioning of the payment system by providing services such as checks, electronic funds transfers, EFT, that is EFT, and NEFT, RTGS, UPI, and mobile banking. These services enable businesses and individuals to make transactions conveniently and securely. Capital formation. Banks play a crucial role in capital formation by channeling savings into productive investments. They provide funding for businesses to expand operations, invest in new technologies, and create jobs, which contributes to economic growth. And next is risk management. Banks help manage various risks faced by businesses and individuals. They offer a range of financial products such as insurance, hedging instruments, and derivatives to protect against risks such as market fluctuations, interest rate changes, and natural disasters. And promoting financial inclusion. Banks in India are actively involved in promoting financial inclusion by extending banking services to unbanked and underbanked populations. Initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana, microfinance, and priority sector lending aim to provide financial services to marginalized communities and promote inclusive growth. And next is supporting government initiatives. Banks support government initiatives by participating in schemes like Mudra Yojana for small businesses, Pradhan Mantri Kisan for farmers, and affordable housing schemes. They also play a role in implementing monetary policies set by the Reserve Bank of India to achieve macroeconomic objectives like price stability and economic growth. Overall, banks are integral to India's economic development by mobilizing savings, allocating capital efficiently, managing risks, promoting financial inclusion, and supporting government priorities. Oh, sir.
Sir, you're on mute. Sir, you are mute.
Yeah. Acha. Now it is
Yes, sir.
okay. Now
Yes.
it is okay. Now,
Yes, yes.
micro means at a smaller level. Macro means at a higher level. That is country as a whole or state as a whole and all that. Good. Harika.
Yes,
Harika.
sir.
Now, why should I select Harika as a clerical staff in our federal bank?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. While my background may be in electronics and communication engineering, I believe myself that I will bring a good skill set that can be benefit your bank, sir. When coming to clerk job role, we know that while I'm going through the job description, I got to know that clerk role mainly based on the communication skills and interpersonal skills, good listening skills, sir. And interpersonal skills is one of my best strengths, so that I believe I can communicate well. When coming from my childhood, I used to be, I worked as school people leader in my 8th, 9th, and 10th classes in school. And in my intermediate also, I organized a few events and act as an anchor in few events. So that from all these things, I can believe I can communicate well. So I can talk to the clients in a good way and um, I can play my role in a better way, sir.
When you are using terms like better way, like that and all, it is a relative term. Instead, you should speak with definite information.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You must tell, I will study about the bank schemes thoroughly, learn about
Okay,
it,
sir.
and try to communicate about it clearly to the would-be customers so that they are impressed by our schemes and they open accounts with us. You must be specific, Harika.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Harika,
sir.
what is
Understood.
your father?
My father is a photographer, sir, but at present he was not working, sir.
Presently, he was not working. That sentence
Yes.
construction is wrong. Presently, he is not working.
Okay, sir.
This happened because you are getting tensed. Okay. Harika,
Okay.
how many
Yes, sir.
siblings you have?
I have two brothers, sir.
What
Two
are they
elder
doing?
brothers.
What are they doing?
Yes, sir. One is working in Kubota Agricultural Machinery Department, sir.
Mm.
And other one is now pursuing his BTech, sir. He took a gap after his diploma and now he's pursuing, sir.
BTech in which degree?
Triple E, sir.
Triple E. What is the difference between Triple E and ECE?
Yes, sir. When coming to ECE, it come little bit there is similarities between the EEE and ECE, sir. But mainly the ECE depends on the communications. The core subject of ECE is communication and all the antennas, modulation techniques. Those all comes into communications. While coming to EEE, it is all about the um,
Anybody else is from EEE subject here? India,
Kaviram.
EEE. Sorry, you are from EEE?
Kaviram is from EEE, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I am from EEE. Kaviram from
Sir,
EEE. Vishwa from
Kaviram,
ECE.
what is the difference between EEE and ECE?
Sir, EEE stands for Electrical and Electronics Engineering, sir. Whereas ECE is Electronics and Communication Engineering. Here, the major subjects are Electrical and Electronics in EEE. Whereas in ECE, the major subjects are Electronics and Communications, sir. The major difference is here they will learn in depth about communication, whereas we EEE students will learn about electrical, sir, in major.
Electrical.
We both have electronics as common subject.
Do you learn
Sir,
electricity manufacturing, electricity making, or electricity distribution?
Sir, we learn everything from electrical power generation, transmission, distribution, and fault analysis. We will learn everything about, sir.
That's
in
what
EC, we will learn basics of electrical, sir, and deep into communication like networking, routing, IoTs, like that we will learn.
Yeah, here in EEE, I think you are learning manufacturing process, engineering mechanics, electrical science. Yeah, tell me.
Sorry, but I'd like to add one more point. I'm from ECE. So major difference is that electrical sounds for any subject that has more than 2 volts or 5 volts above. So subjects that we deal with high voltages are read in electrical, and in electronics we deal with less than 2 volts. So when you go for a phone or a chip or microchip, these things have electronics in it because they deal with lesser voltages. But when it is in electrical, it is above 50 volts or 500 volts. So that's the major difference between that, electrical and electronics. So we only read the electronic parts and indulge in how these electronic parts help in communication digitally. So that's what we do. These people work on electrical instruments and how we produce electricity.
Exactly.
I think
but
I'm
now,
sure.
now tell me, who is more important? Is it EEE is important or ECE?
Both the departments are equally important, sir.
Yes,
Whereas
collectively,
ECE
engineers are very important, I believe.
yes, sir, yes.
Sir,
Good.
important in their respective domains, sir. Everyone
No,
are
no,
important.
I am talking about banking. For banks, supposing one, say, EEE people come, then ECE people come. And
Sir, then I would like to mention that EC will be more beneficial because they are good in technology, understanding the technology, and quickly understands the banking. All the bank, I mean, the new technology in the banking sector can be understood by EC students quickly, sir. Maybe.
but without electricity, how you can manage?
Sir, like
in my
I'm
point
talking
of view,
about
I have
technology, sir.
different opinion. I
Yeah,
have a
tell me.
different opinion, sir. When it comes to bank, engineering has nothing to do with the banks. So we can most important thing is interpersonal skill and communication skill, right, sir? Who expect from a candidate.
No. Your point is assuming everything infrastructure wise correct, then we go for interpersonal relations. Now, for starting a bank branch, you need power, you need
Yes, sir.
electric
Yeah,
connection. Yeah. So I think the answer both are required is better than supporting anyone. Because without current coming, you cannot manage. Without communication methods, you cannot manage because you have to be connected with the main server and all. So both are required. It is like our two eyes. Both eyes are important. But if one eye is defective, maybe we will manage with the other one. But it depends. But here, my one eye is partly defective, so I am able to manage. Similarly, if both are required, if there is some fluctuation in ECE or triple E, etc., that can be managed, but both are required. Now we will go to Sriya. Who is Sriya?
Sir,
Who is Sriya?
sir, I'm Shreya, sir.
Tell me, what is Sriya or who is Sriya? Means you have to introduce yourself.
Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I am Gayatri Shreya. I'm currently pursuing my final year of BTech in Electronics and Communication from Andhra University. I'm a native of Visakhapatnam. One fun fact about Visakhapatnam is that it has been ranked as top 10 cleanest cities consistently for the past 10 years. Regarding my academic background, I have passed my 10th standard with a GPA of 10 and my intermediate with a GPA of 9.48. And now in the track of with 7.77 in BTech, all from my hometown, Visakhapatnam. Coming to my family, we are a family of four. Both my parents are state government doctors, and I have an elder brother who's working in the US. In my free time, I like to write short stories, binge watch American TV shows, and pencil sketch. I believe these hobbies helped me improve my proficiency in English and fostered my creative abilities. During my second and third year of engineering, I was part of event planning committee and have successfully took on the roles of ticket sales promotion lead and event management strategy coordinator for technical and cultural fests like Aurora 2K23 and many more events. These experiences helped me on my skills in sales and marketing along with event management. My strengths include critical thinking, leadership abilities, analytical mindset, and good communication skills. I'm proficient in three languages, English, Telugu, and Hindi. Thank you.
Thank you. Good, good, good. Sriya, you talked very well.
I prepared for it, sir. Yesterday,
Oh,
you were asking for introduction, so I
yeah,
wrote it
yeah,
up.
yeah. And that's why I want everyone to prepare for these routine questions like tell me about yourself, tell me about your. See, yesterday what happened? I forgot to record it. And I talked with lot of energy, enthusiasm, etc. yesterday, but nothing was recorded. So, of course, today's discussion also will be relevant. About yourself, you can prepare about your native place, about your college, about your degree, and all that. So, it doesn't matter. Good. Sriya, you did really well. Now,
Thank you, sir.
which bank are you having accounts, Sriya?
State Bank of India, sir.
So, what is the difference between State Bank of India and Federal Bank? Because
State Bank of India is
in one interview, what happened? They asked even figures. So I don't know how you will get to know about it. So I suggest you search in Google about State Bank of India figures as on date. Get to know how many branches, how many employees, how many ATMs, something like that. Because sometimes they may ask you to compare with the Federal Bank. Now, please tell me general difference.
State Bank of India is a public bank, whereas Federal Bank is a private bank. Both of them have this is the biggest difference between them, and one of the major similarities they both run under RBI guidelines. Um, mm,
Hmm.
I've only known this. Federal
Only
Bank has lesser branches than compared to SBI.
correct. This is correct. Public sector bank, not public bank, public sector bank. Okay, very good. So now, as I have never discussed this question with all of you, have you heard of a concept known as what is that? Currency chest. What is it? Has anyone heard about it? So far, they have not asked many questions on this, but still, suddenly, this topic came to my mind. Namely, what is a currency chest? Has anyone come to know of it? Anybody's relative is working in bank? Have you discussed about it? Nobody. Then it is time for us
Currency
to.
chest is like a bank where the money, all the money, it stores all its money, sir.
Mm,
That's I know.
No, no. Here, are you seeing on the screen some message currency chest? Are you able to see?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You are able to see. Very good. Now we will go to this boy, Mohammed Ashik Singha. Mohammed Ashik Singha, you are also a newcomer for us. You are studying in which college?
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Ashik Singha, you are studying in which
Yes, sir.
college? Which college?
Good evening, sir.
Good
I am
evening.
studying in Andhra University, Vishakhapatnam, sir.
Which degree?
BTech, sir.
ECE?
Geoinformatics.
Geoinformatics. Oh, Baba. Such people will get very odd questions. What is geoinformatics? Why did you choose geoinformatics? How it is relevant for our day-to-day life? Like that questions they will ask. Why did you choose geoinformatics? You could not get any other subject. Is that the reason?
Yes, sir. I could actually I thought to for CSE subjects, sir. But for my rank, I didn't get seat. So I was satisfied with geoinformatics.
But you should not tell like this in the interview. You should tell geoinformatics plays a very important role in day-to-day life, and
Yes,
it
sir.
will be having a very good career growth. So keeping that in mind, I chose geoinformatics, something like that. You have to talk in praise of your subject. See, what is the scope of geoinformatics in India?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me what is the scope of geoinformatics in India?
Sir, actually, geoinformatics combines the geographical features with the software features, sir.
Hmm.
For example, we use in our day-to-day life Zomato and Google Maps all
Hmm.
those work because of geoinformatics.
Mhm.
So we collect satellite data and
Hmm.
georeference the locations with the computer programs. We
Hmm.
also have computer subjects in our curriculum. C, C++,
Very,
Java, Python,
mhm.
database management system.
Very good. Now, is
We
currency
relate
is
this.
very sufficient. Is currency just seen on the screen now by you?
Yes, sir.
Please read it. The depository of the Reserve Bank of India.
The depository of the Reserve Bank of India is known as the currency chest. It consists of the cash meant for the banks and ATMs. The chests are located on premises of selected banks all across India. When the RBI points new notes, they first send them to the currency chest from where it goes into circulation.
Okay.
This
Now, 1 minute. What? See, actually, why this currency chest concept came? Initially, when banks were there, few banks were there. It was only Reserve Bank of India. So everybody has to go to Reserve Bank of India. All the banks have to go to Reserve Bank of India for remittance of cash. And subsequently, State Bank of India came. All the banks had account with State Bank of India. They had to go to State Bank of India. Slowly, when the number of bank branches has risen too much, now it is not possible by Reserve Bank to take care of all the cash and SBI to do. So they have authorized the scheduled commercial banks to maintain currency chest with themselves. The cost of expenses for that, etc., will be borne by RBI. So whatever monies that are remitted into the chest by a particular bank will be taken as if it is a money remitted by it to its current account with a Reserve Bank of India. So that is the concept. That is why this came. So now we have so many currency chests all over the, see, now it is given, you see, it is given as on 2021. State Bank of India has 1,679. Nationalized banks 1151. Private sector 210. Cooperative banks also have 5. Then regional rural banks have 4. RBI 1. So likewise, so many currency chests are there. It is to facilitate movement of cash from one place to another place easily. So this topic so far they have never asked. Suddenly it came to my mind, so I asked you. Now Mohammed, yeah, Lalit Kumar talked, Syria talked,
Yes, sir.
then Harika talked, then Naveen also talked. Deepak,
Yes, sir.
you are going for Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me, um, supposing you get an option to join some public sector bank immediately or after
Yes,
a
sir.
few days, will you leave us and go?
Actually, to be frank, I won't leave the bank as soon as I join because the offer that the TMB gives is sufficient for my state, and also that I can learn new skills in Tamil Nadu Medical Bank, sir. So I won't leave as soon as I join.
Good. That is right. That's nice. Now, what is the latest news about Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank you have read or learned? This question can be asked
So,
in Federal Bank also. So the only option for this is to go to the website and go to what they are mentioning there as new and mug up that and then speak. Did you go through this with this point in
so
mind?
they are increasing their bank branches from 540 to 564, sir, this
Hmm.
year.
Good. That is one. Good. So now what is your view? Should a bank have more number of branches? Because nowadays everybody can open account online. There is no need for
So, yes,
people
sir.
to come to the bank. Where is the need for opening more bank branches?
So basically, the rural area does not have sufficient amount of network coverage. So it is good to have branches at rural areas so that people, unprivileged people can go for bank and have experience and open the bank accounts.
Mhm. So you recommend
So
having more banks. So what is your
in rural areas, sir.
what is your expectation about banking in after 10 years? After 10 years, what will be the position of banking system in our country? Will there be brick and mortar branches or it will be all on online banking only?
So basically, in future there can be a chances of going fully online, but it depends upon the people's usage. So if we get used to do online transactions and use the services that are given to us effectively, the banks may go fully online. But yes, we need some branches to for some who doesn't know to operate in online services.
They actually, um, comparing with the advanced developed countries like America and Canada also,
Yes,
I
sir.
think I have after my recent visit to India, I will say our country has made enormous progress in the matter of digitalization, where even a flower vendor is using QR code and is receiving payment through online. An auto rickshaw wala receives money through online. So that way, our country has progressed very well. And even in advanced countries, developed countries like America and Canada here, there exists bank branches. They are also there. They are also there and it will continue to be there for some more time. We can't say how many years, but it has to be there because people believe somebody only when you are able to meet the other person. For example, even here online, if I don't come at least once in 10 days, people will not have a belief in the system of what we are doing, namely the classes, etc. You probably you would like to see the person in person. Very good. So banks will continue to be there. The brick and mortar branches will continue to be there. This is a GD topic question. Yeah. Next, we will go to Jatin. Jatin,
Yes, sir.
Jatin, you are from which college?
Sir, Amrita.
Oh, Amrita, BCom or BBA, na?
Yes, sir.
BBA. When is your interview date has come?
No, sir, not yet.
I don't know why that you are all in Mysuru. Mysuru also is going very slow. Bengaluru, they are going fast. Kolkata, they are going fast. Here, Mysuru, Coimbatore is the slowest one, followed by Dindigul. There was one boy from Dindigul, PSNA college. Dindigul, is it over for Dindigul?
No, sir. They will come under our pool, sir. The Coimbatore
Achha.
pool.
So that is also not over.
So
But that
Bangalore,
Bengaluru is slightly better. Some colleges had GD, has had interview recently. Na? A few that Soumya, she attended recently, and one more boy also he joined 3 days back only. His interview is already over. One is Soumya, another person. What is his
Sir,
name?
even Visakhapatnam, sir, Andhra
Pardon?
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh
Even
also
Visakhapatnam, Andhra
is,
Pradesh.
is very slow. Visakhapatnam
Yes, sir.
is very slow. I don't know why. I
Yes,
don't
sir.
know.
GD was over just like 20 days back, sir.
And 1 minute. That one is Soumya, another is one very nice name, Shreyas. His name is Shreyas. That boy talks very well in English. He is also doing BCom also. His interview is also over. Very good. Now we will go to Jatin.
yes, sir.
Jatin. Which question should I ask you?
Sir, anything, sir, like,
Which bank are you having account, Jatin?
sir, Union Bank.
Okay, good. Now, can you tell me the authority which is controlling or supervising the banks?
Sir, RBI, sir.
Can you talk about RBI?
Yes, sir, I can.
Yeah.
RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, which controls all the banks in India. The current RBI, so sorry, sir. Okay.
No. Start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
So actually, I have called, sir, too much. I'll. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It controls all the it supervises all the banks in India. The current chief of RBI is Mr. Saktikant Das. The basic work of RBI is to monitor repo rate. Sorry, sir.
Tell me.
Monitor repo rate, currency of India, and also they manufacture the currency of India, sir.
Manufacture.
No,
You
I
can't
don't.
use the word. You can't use the word manufacture. They print currency notes.
They print currency notes in India, sir.
I mean, actually, Reserve Bank is not printing. Reserve Bank is vested with the authority of supply of money supply.
Yes, sir.
Money supply. Come on, next point.
Sir. Sir, yes, sir. They control the currency fluctuations in terms of dollar. So they try to monitor the fluctuations of rupees, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
you are only on one point. You are not progressed at all.
Sir, actually, I had a fever for last few days, so that's why I couldn't able to read.
Doesn't matter. Now I let somebody else, seniors like
Sir.
Viswa, let them take charge of it. Viswa, please
Yes,
talk.
sir.
Please tell
About
what
RBI, sir.
RBI and its functions.
Okay, sir. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India, which controls and regulates the banks in India. And its and its governor is Shaktikanta Das. And RBI functions are they are the main regulatory body, and they are printing the currency, responsible for printing the currency, for foreign exchange regulatories, and
Bankers,
Hmm.
sorry, sir, it has been muted, sir. Sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Bankers to bank, bankers to government, bankers to government,
monetary policy
and
maintaining authority.
monetary policies like repo rate and CRR, SLR, bank rates are be controlled by the RBI, sir.
Kaviram, please try.
Yes, sir. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RBI stands for the main functions of the RBI includes issuer of the currency, banker of the government, and monetary policy maintaining authority, controller of foreign exchange reserve.
That's all. That is sufficient. If you tell the headings, that is sufficient. That is bankers to bank, bankers to government, note issuing authority, controller of foreign exchange, and monetary policy controlling authority. These are the main functions. If you tell that, that is sufficient. And just breaking news, just now the questions have come from one of the candidates who has attended interview 2 days back in Bengaluru. Are you seeing
Sir,
on the screen?
I'm having a doubt.
Are you seeing on the screen questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Questions
Sir.
is not. Sir.
No.
Questions are not visible.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you can see
Now
the
it-
questions. Yeah. These are the, yeah. Tell me, Kaviram, what is the doubt?
Sir, Vishwa, sir.
Now, Vishwa, tell me.
Supernosen said that sixth floor, one hypothetical question, sir.
Yeah.
What it could be the answer, sir?
The interviewer suggested that
Can I
say,
answer it? Sir?
no. Interviewer suggested, why did you must be having the phone number of your security guard. You should call him. That is what they told itself. There is no the correct answer for this. But this is, in fact, Supernosen video is the video that has been seen by more than 3,000 people throughout the country. More than 3,000 people. And of course, the particular video which had more than 3,000 circulation, he has not answered many questions correctly because he has answered wrongly. And only problem was that probably he was not confident and he was not selected. I am in favor of his being selected, but if you ask me whether he is really fit for that, I will say 50-50. I won't say 100% confident that he deserves it because he lacks the confidence to speak to strangers and all. See, one must be able to communicate to an extent. This one girl talked today here. What is her name? Has she gone? Sriya. No, is it Sriya?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
She talked. Yeah. You must talk. People must talk with that much confidence. Then only they will form an excellent impression about you. Anyhow, it doesn't matter. Now I will request Jatin. Jatin was doing the answering. Jatin, please read the question. Introduction.
Introduction of myself. Second,
Okay.
what I know about Federal Bank.
Hmm.
Third, since I am analytics students, they asked me in an analytical point of view of Federal Bank is performing.
Hmm.
Fourth, asked me which feature of Federal Bank is better than the rest of banks. Fifth, asked me accounts questions like what is balance sheet, income expenditure account, why is capital on liability side if the balance sheet
Of the balance sheet, it should be.
of the balance sheet.
Mm.
Why I want to join a bank.
Mm.
Seventh, if I would be ready to relocate and my preference of place. What is the total business of the bank till date?
See, actually, this girl will be selected because her English was really good. But by now the result must have come. She has not informed us. Let us hope for the best. So now, looking at the way they have been asking questions, it is better for us to concentrate on about Federal Bank. Which features of Federal Bank is better than the rest of the banks? So how to answer that question? Let us make a research and study and tell what is the answer we can give for this. Other banking questions we can always read, but this type of a question, we have to think and then come out with a better answer. So which aspects of Federal Bank are better than the other banks? So does it only means we should know about other banks, which is not the real case. Most of us do not know about other banks. In fact, we do not know about our own banks. For example, the bank where you have an account also, most of you will not be using, say, internet banking and all very clearly. So what we know is very little, but here it's a question of guess and answer. Now, I would request all of you to take it seriously and tell me, have you gone through website of Federal Bank or not? Otherwise, we will just go through that one by one. This is the personal one that is seen. Are you seeing on the screen for Federal Bank website?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what is seen here. Once you come to personal, this is what is seen here. 1 minute. Savings accounts, salary accounts. I don't know what is it. GBD Super 51. Then RFC, returning India, RFC domestic account. What is RFC? Returning Indian foreign currency. See, when non-residents, they return to India, if they have some foreign currency, they can continue to maintain it in foreign currency. That is what the scheme is. Then savings account, fintech. This is what, the accounts being opened through the fintech company. What is the name of that fintech company? Anybody knows? There is one company with which they have arrangement. Federal Bank has arrangement.
I think
TCS,
it is Pay Bazaar.
What Federal Bank has arrangement with dash fintech company for opening of bank accounts. In fact, once a candidate came, he had an account only with that one. Will Federal Bank collaborate with fintech companies? The answer is yes. How will the Federal Bank expand? Federal Bank to collaborate with Federal Bank to collaborate with fintech companies as growth strategy. Here, Syria, why don't you read this 1 minute? Why this ad is coming? Syria, please read this. The private lender.
Private lender, Federal Bank will collaborate with fintech companies as part of its growth strategy, an official said on Thursday. MD and CEO of Federal Bank, Shyam Srinivasan, said that the collaboration with fintech companies will have greater reach to customers, and lenders will surely leverage this aspect. Partnership with fintech companies will give us reach to customers. We would collaborate with these firms rather than compete. It is an integral part of the.
Just a minute. Why it is coming like this? Yeah. Sorry. Please read. We need to
Yes, sir.
collaborate.
We would collaborate with these firms rather than compete. It is an integral part of banking strategy, he said.
What is this? Why this problem? Any computer boys tell me, why am I facing this problem? Computer boys? Any computer boy? Come on,
Sir,
continue.
just ads are coming.
Ads are coming. Oh, will they come like that? But they should not, Baba. They are troubling us.
It depends on the website, sir. This article is produced by that website, which
Money
has no
control.
ad blockers.
Moneycontrol.com. They are,
This
you know,
website contains so many ads. Sir.
whose company is moneycontrol.com, you know? The richest man in the country, Mukesh Ambani. They are the owners. Reliance is the owners of this. That is why they are trying to make money wherever possible. Yeah. Now, continue, Sriya. Fintech companies
Yes.
are mostly.
Fintech companies are mostly used to. Fintech companies are mostly used for client acquisition for opening savings account. The bank generally opens around 15,000 savings accounts per day, and 60% of them are.
Yeah, through fintechs. Continue.
Through fintechs. These are all digital accounts. He said loan exposure through fintech.
No, Baba. इतना trouble करता है. Oh. I think I should
try to take a screenshot.
I think I should copy this into some other place. I think it won't be copying also. You can't copy, I think so. Because
You can copy, sir.
I don't know. Because many companies, they don't allow things to be copied. See, this doesn't allow copy. They are very careful fellows, you know, like our, say, bankers adda, they are selling you the materials and all, and they won't allow you to copy them. They won't allow you to copy them. They want you to read it on the screen only. Like same thing here also. Doesn't matter. We will put up with this. Of course, there is useless. Yeah. Now, please read fintech.
Screenshot.
Pardon?
Screenshot.
Screenshot panna enna enga vekanum screenshot panna.
Windows Shift S, just crop the screen, sir. Windows Shift S, sir.
Windows ama Shift.
Yes, sir.
Shift naka idu ama apra.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Windows.
Sir, that is for snip screen, sir. We need to go to desired text and we need to copy. Desired text location and then we need to click that.
No, we can't copy this content. I know they won't allow us to copy 100%. I know. Now, computer boys, girls, please help me. Very bad about it.
What desktop are you using, sir?
Pardon?
What is your desktop company, sir?
This is I think I am using Firefox.
Sir, not the Windows search engine, sir. I'm asking about your computer, laptop brand.
This is HP.
So once say the website which you have opened, sir. once
No,
go back.
1 minute.
Sir.
I have given the link to you people.
Yes.
I have given the link to you people online, and I
Yes,
am
sir.
opening. I am opening now again. Baba, please don't come, Baba. Baba, Agya. See, this is teasing us like anything. Yeah. Let me read it
You
out.
can take
But
screenshot if it's.
we can take a screenshot out.
I mean, you should press at a time Windows
So-
Shift and S.
Press Windows,
Shift and S at a time.
Shift and S at a time. I did it.
Sir,
No.
can I keep them in groups, sir? Screenshots?
Yeah. How to
Sir,
do
I
it?
got
Yes,
it,
sir.
sir.
Please do it.
It's not showing for me.
It's not. No, it's not moving for you.
Oh, sir, advertisements are coming for me, sir.
Everybody.
Sir, I
it will
kept a
come.
screenshot, initial screenshot, sir.
Where it is coming? Oh, you are giving it here. Acha. Oh, this one. But it is so small, Baba. We cannot
Yes, sir.
read
Next
it.
one is coming, sir. Next screenshot is on the way.
Oh. It is good. This is good. Very nice. Where are we now? See, I am teaching for so many years, but we are learning. Oh, Baba. Good.
Sir,
Now,
one more screenshot I kept, sir.
yeah, very good. We will,
Whole paragraph is here, sir.
yeah, we will make use of it. Now, let me read it. Fintech companies are mostly used by client acquisition for opening savings accounts. The bank generally opens around 15,000 savings accounts per day, and 60% of them are through fintechs. These are digital accounts. He said loan exposure through the fintech firms is mostly through credit cards. Srinivasan added. He said the bank would like to grow organically and maintaining a balance between secured and unsecured portfolios. 3% of our portfolios is unsecured through credit cards, personal loans to MFIs. Our strategy is also to diversify across products categories and some graphics. Just a minute. Let me go to that one. Next one, as he has given the next one also. Yeah. According to him, the bank is growing at 18% with the total business at the end of September 23. The bank will not drop credit standards of others, and others are enough growth opportunities in the market. Bank is well capitalized and there is no requirement of capital, Srinivasan said. Srinivas said, aim is to bring among the top 5 or private lenders in the country in coming years. He said there is also a focus on green banking, which is exposure to projects using energy, then renewable energy. Then bank also plans to expand its physical presence across the country by opening more branches in North India also. Yeah. Anyhow, thank you. This much is sufficient. But my only desire for you was you must go through the website to find out what is the new thing they are telling about themselves. You see the number of customers.
Sir, in the home screen, we have that key one, sir. That key which is showing
Which one?
Flash Pay. Flash Pay is the new thing in the Federal Bank.
Acha, Flash Pay.
Flash Pay.
Mhm. That is a new thing there. Another thing is this one is new. 24/7 open federal digital savings account from
Anywhere.
anywhere. I
Yes, sir,
wanted
through
to.
Federal Bank account.
Yeah,
I
I
apps.
should. I thought I should open, but then I thought how many accounts will I have? So I never opened. That's what it is. Now borrow means Baba. Please remember this, boys, girls. When you press
sir.
borrow, you are getting gold loans, car loan, home loan, then property loan, then other loans and educational loan. Then when you come to insurance, They are taking care of life insurance, general insurance, health insurance. In the case of insurance, health insurance, latest news is that government has now said people above 65 years also can take insurance. Earlier, they were telling people up to 65 only can take policies. Now, person above 65 also can open. But of course, they will charge a huge premium. Then what is this shop? Deals and offers, value vouchers, credit card EMI like this. Then under invest, you are having portfolio investment scheme, wealth management services, sovereign gold bond, fixed deposits, recurring deposit. I would like you to click fixed deposit and get to know about it. Recurring deposit, that and all I know. Sovereign gold bond is a scheme brought by Reserve Bank of India where people can invest in, instead of buying gold, they can buy this at the prevalent rate, and they will be given the same grams of gold at the end of the period also. They will get 2.5% interest also. Then what is Fed E-Trade? Anybody knows? I think it is for buying of shares. Then wealth
Share.
management services means, see, rich people above 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs monies and all. What they will do, they will come and give the entire details to bank. The bank people will suggest you and they will discuss with them. And then they will suggest you can invest in this mutual fund, you can invest in this security, like that they will tell you. And for that, they will get commission. What is portfolio investment scheme? I don't know. Portfolio investment scheme. I have not studied about it. What are the features? Portfolio investment schemes.
Sir,
Now, yeah, please read. Yeah. Is it seen on the screen or not?
yes, sir.
Now, please read this. Yeah. Please read. Portfolio investment scheme.
Portfolio investment scheme. Portfolio investment scheme facilitates purchase, sales of shares, convertible debentures by NRIs through stock exchange in a hassle-free manner. 1. NRIs have to obtain permission for investments in the shares, convertible debentures through stock exchanges. RBI has delegated banks to receive application and issue permission to NRIs to start investment. Our bank is authorized to issue the permissions. Request for permission is included in the account opening forms. While opening the account, DBS will issue permission to the customer. 2. NRIs have to open separate NRE PAS account for repatriable investments. The accounts are in the form of SB account. The operations in the account are exclusively for stock market operations. No checkbooks are issued in the account. Transfer withdrawal from PAS accounts will have to be done with the prior approval of DBS. Apart from NRE PAS accounts, trading account with broker and DP account with our bank or broker has to be opened. 4. NRI has to give orders for purchase sale of shares to the broker. Broker will purchase, sell the shares, and the contract note will be presented to the bank. Bank will make payment, receive payment for the transactions executed by the NRI through the broker. NRI has to give authorization to the bank for operating the account. 5. DB account will be debited, credited by the bank. Broker, as per authorization of NRI. 6. Bank will issue daily statement of transaction to NRIs. 7. On sale of investment, tax on capital gains, if any, will be debited and remitted to IT department by the bank. Bank will issue TDS certificate to the customer for the same as per the current rules. TDS of the following rates are applicable on capital gains. Short-term capital gains, STCG 15.6%, and long-term capital gains, LTCG 10.4%. 10. Daily mandatory reporting to RBI regarding the transaction will be undertaken by the bank. 11. Regulatory compliance as to the limits up to which the investments can be made by the NRIs will be ensured by the bank. 12. Statement of holding of PAS securities will be issued to the customer on request. 13. Facility to view DB account and NRE PAS account through FedNet will be offered by the bank on customer request. 14. Dedicated team to attend queries at DBS and rep office team overseas is available.
Very good. So this much, it's a new thing. I don't know about this portfolio investment scheme. Again, they do this for commission. Some charges they will be putting, and minimum balance in the account of NRI transactions is transaction charge ₹100 plus GST per segment for purchase, and sale transaction separately will be charged to the account. Annual maintenance charges for PIS is ₹1,000 plus GST. That is why they are dealing with this. Very good. So like this, we should study more about Federal Bank, more about some of these schemes, and familiarize ourselves, because no longer are they asking questions relating to say banking. Now they are not asking the simple question like who is the president, who is the governor, also they are not asking. I don't know why. So let us be prepared for any type of question. Best wishes. We will meet again tomorrow, same time,
Sir,
8:30. Yes, please.
as the financial results are released, sir.
No, I don't think it has come. Because if it comes, somebody will tell me. No? Nobody has told me. Here, this is what it is about us. Financial results, I will click. Financial results is this. Only quarter three only has come. Quarter 4 has not come. No, it has not come. But this bank is far better. Banks like Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank are having balance sheet of 2021-22 only, not even 22 to 23. Some banks are like that. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Best wishes. We'll meet again tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. Thank you. Well, luckily, no interviews tomorrow. Anybody? Battery is running low. Yeah. Anyhow, we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank
Bye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Nice.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.